Today on Mom to Mom, we have an ice cream party hack to make your life easier. We know that party planning for kids can be extra stressful, so being prepared is definitely a win. So today we have an ice cream party hack that's going to help change your life for the better. So basically what you want to do is scoop that ice cream ahead of time. It's pretty easy. All you need is a muffin pan. You're going to need some ice cream, a scoop, some cupcake holders, and your ice cream cones. Now if you're ready, I'll show you this simple, quick hack. So you're gonna take your muffin pan and line it with the baking cups. Once you have it lined, then you're gonna scoop your ice cream in there. Now I already have some in, but once you get it all scooped in, you're gonna stick it in the freezer until you're ready for it. Once you're ready for it, you'll pull it right out. Take your ice cream cone, then you're going to take your muffin with the ice cream already in it, stick it on top just like that, peel it off, and try not to break the cone in the process, and then hand it to the kids. As you can see, it was super easy, and moms, if you have wonderful party hacks, we'd love to hear about it. You can message us on our Facebook page, and we'll see you on the next Mom to Mom.